Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing and giving a quick review of the BARWING adjustable weight bench. Let's go ahead and open the box and see how it comes. Okay, we have our user manual here. This is going to come in handy if you need some tips on some exercises that the weight bench can help you do. We have some padding, some handlebars. Okay, now the bench itself is all together in one piece, which is going to make it extremely easy to take it out and set it up. All right, now to go ahead and set it up, you're going to want to remove this pin right here. Put that off to the side. And then it'll open up like this. Okay, so once you have it opened up, we'll go ahead and replace the pin back where it was. Just going to make sure that it stays in place. All right, so now let me show you how simple it is to adjust the angles of both pieces. You pull this knob right down here, lift up. That's going to be give you the flattest angle right here, and then the same thing on this side. Just like that. Okay, this right here is going to be your leg hold down bar. Per exercise that you are doing, you might need to adjust the different angle of this. You can simply do that by removing this pin, bringing it up if you need. Once it's at the position that you'd like, go ahead and insert the pin back to lock it into place. Okay, so the package did come with these cushions, which is going to go on either side here of the leg hold down bar, which is going to provide cushion for you during exercise. Just like that. All right, so like in the beginning of the video, I showed you these handles. They're going to go right here on the back side. I've already done this one. You'll simply insert it down here, line it up using the Allen wrench that is provided. Just make sure you tightly screw it all the way so these handles do not come off or loose during exercise. Okay, and there you have it. Overall, we've been really impressed with this weight bench. It's sturdy, has a great look, and I love that it has 4 different seat positions and 8 positions for the back. This allows you to get a good variety in of different exercises, and for that reason, I'm going to give it a solid 2 thumbs up.